So over the past several weeks, I've been using Apple's 2026 brand new M5 and MacBook Air, and I have to say I'm really impressed with the performance of this new laptop. In today's video, we're going to take a deeper dive into why I believe the Apple M5 MacBook Air is one of Apple's laptops you may want to consider if you're looking to purchase a new laptop from Apple. Now, before we begin, yes, I do know that Apple sells the brand new MacBook Neo at almost half of the price of the MacBook Air at $599, and on its own, that is a great computer. But there's a few quality of life features that I miss on the MacBook Neo that are present on the MacBook Air. For example, a slightly larger and better display. We also have a backlit keyboard on the MacBook Air. We also have wireless charging with MagSafe. We have two Thunderbolt 4 ports, much faster than those on the MacBook Neo. We have a nice clickable trackpad as well. And of course, inside we have the M5 processor. You're not stuck with an iPhone processor, the Apple A18 chip, which is the one found on the MacBook Neo. Also, the keys on the keyboard have great travel. It is a great keyboard to type in, very comfortable. It is a full-size keyboard here on the new MacBook Air. Now, speaking of keyboards, here's a quick word from our sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Clevatora. If you're anything like me and you spend a lot of time working on your Mac setup, check this out. This is the Clevatora S, and what's interesting about it is that touch and typing happen directly on the keys. So while I'm typing, I can scroll through Safari, navigate documents, or switch between desktops without having to move my hand over to the trackpad. The keyboard automatically detects whether I'm typing or using touch gestures and switching between the two. Now, one of the features I've been using a lot is the touch sliders across the top row. I can adjust the brightness or the volume just by sliding my finger across the keys. I can also connect up to 4 devices over Bluetooth 5.1, so switching between my Mac or my iPad only takes one button press. Its aluminum build feels premium, the Mac layout is exactly where I'd expect it to be, and the compact 78 key design keeps the desktop setup clean. Now, I have to be honest, there's a bit of a learning curve for the touch gestures, but once you get used to it, keeping your hands on the keys throughout a workflow feels really natural. Now, if you'd like to check it out, use my code iDeviceHelp20 for $20 off any Clevatora keyboard, and again, thank you to Clevatora for sponsoring this video. Now, the MacBook Air is featuring Apple's latest silicon, the M5 chip, and that on its own is something to consider because as you get to the newer chips, obviously you get more lifespan out of your computer, which means your money goes further. This computer also features Wi-Fi 7 and a Bluetooth 6. The MacBook Air is also available in 2 different sizes. We have the 13-inch for $1099 and the 15-inch for $1299. It is available in 4 different colors. We have Midnight, Starlight, Silver, and of course my favorite, the Sky Blue. Now, the base performance has also been increased here to 10-core CPU and an 8-core GPU, as you can see here, and you can also upgrade the unified memory up to 32 gigabytes. That's obviously going to cost you more. Now, the base storage has also been upgraded here to 512 gigabytes, and of course, you can upgrade that all the way to 4 terabytes on the MacBook Air. Now, some of the things I love the most about the brand new MacBook Air is how lightweight and portable it is. It basically fits anywhere. You can slide it into a backpack. It is a great computer to travel with exceptional performance and amazing battery life. I can do some video editing, browse the web, perhaps play some video games, watch some videos online, and this machine handles everything with no issues. And I was quite surprised on how good the performance and battery life is on the brand new M5 and MacBook Air. And yes, nowadays Apple offers an exceptional line of laptops at every price point. We have the MacBook Neo, the MacBook Air, and the MacBook Pro. But what I'm trying to say, if you're in the market for a new laptop, Apple's MacBook Air is definitely one to consider with the latest Apple Silicon, the M5 chip, of course, the base storage now 512, exceptional performance, amazing battery life, and of course, with macOS, this is the perfect machine in my opinion, and this is the one everyone should consider when they're going to buy an Apple laptop in 2026. The new MacBook Air M5, let me know what you think about this machine in those comments down below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.